Hello friends, welcome to Swellen training session. In this lecture, we will discuss about core part. So first of all, we need to drawing. So in File, Open, Computer, browse and select your particular path. Okay, and this is my part. I will create this part in AutoCAD. So open it. Okay, you will see my part is here. Now I will change the view in isometric. So friends, this is your drawing and I have a PDF of this drawing. You will see here, this is my PDF. So this is our part and your dimension is here. You will see. Okay, now see, first of all we will set our machine. So in machine, milling and set as a default. Now select your stock. So I will select all solid and OK. You will see the stock is set. Now first of all we will perform the pocket milling for this portion. So we don't know the depth of this portion. So I will on PDF see this one. So you will see here, this is the 20. Now in operation we will select pocket, select your chain. OK. Now you will see the chain is anti-clockwise, so I will change in clockwise. OK. Now the tool selection, so just right click, create new tool, and mill. Next, now set your parameter of your tool. I will give the 8 diameter. Next and finish. You will see here. Now select your tool holder. I will select this one. Cut parameter. So here stock to leave on wall is 0. Stock to leave on floor is 0. Okay. Now in roughing we will select the path of roughing parallel spiral. Entry motion is off and finishing is off. Now in depth of cut, but first of all I will don't apply the depth of cut. Linking parameter is here, you will see. I will click on OK and you will see your portion is cut. Now I will give the depth of cut. So in parameter, depth of cut. OK. So finishing step is 0.5 and the cuts means the number of cut is 2 and the another rough cut value is 1. OK. And regenerate your operation. You will see. Now we will check in verify selected operation. So click. Now I will play. So you will see this portion is remain and this portion is also remain. So for that click on parameter. In cutting parameter you will see the pocket type is standard. But if your anyone face is open to the boundary, that's why we will select facing and set your approx distance. Like I will set 0. OK and regenerate my operation. Now in verify selected operation, you will see this extra portion is removed. Now I will close it, hide. Now I will select this portion. So again I will click on pocket milling, select this portion, OK, chain is clockwise, so OK. The tool is same, holder is also same, cutting parameter already 00 set. Now you will see here, in this case no any face is open. So I will change the pocket type is standard. In roughing, same cuts and same method, parallel spiral. Depth of cut is also same, and linking parameter is here. You will see the top of the stock is 60, but we already cut this portion, so I will change the top of the stock is this one, and OK. See, the operation is performed. Now I will again hide this, apply pocket. Now I will select this chain, OK, in clockwise, so I will click OK. Same tool, same holder, cutting parameter on wall and floor is 00, stock to leave. In roughing, parallel spiral. In depth of cut, 0.5 depth of cut, 2, and the another rough cut is 1 value, means the 1 mm. Linking parameter, so I will set the top of stock. So the top of the stock is this point. OK. We will see. Now we will check in verify selected operation. So select all and verify selected operation and just play it. OK. So this is perfect. I will close it. Okay friends, so in next lecture we will continue our core part. Thank you friends.